You can see my big ass suitcase back there because I packed the house to come with, because I don't know what I'm going to be wearing because the weather keeps changing like every 10 minutes. So Megan's driving, say hello. This is my partner in crime for the weekend. We're on our way to Nashville, Indiana for a girls trip. I am vlogging because I'm sure there's going to be some shenanigans and craziness that goes down, so might as well catch it on camera. So we are in Indiana right now. We have 2 hours and 27 minutes to go till we make it. So I'll catch you up if we make any stops, and I'll show you the cabin once we get there because it looks so nice. Everybody's gonna have their own room. There's a hot tub. It's on the river. So I'll make sure to show what it looks like. See you soon. Okay, we are legitimately on a gravel road trying to get to this cabin, and we had to drive miles off the main road. I guess we're here. Whoa, look at that backyard.
Oh, wow.
If you fall down, you're gonna die. Okay, we just walked in. The hot tub's on the lower floor. Yeah, this is like the main floor. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Wow, this is beautiful out here. This is a great place to have coffee in the morning. Look at the kitchen. This is the master. Beautiful vaulted ceilings. Perfect.
So if you want to stay up here, there's 2 rooms downstairs.
Oh, where's the other room up here?
Right here?
I thought this was the master.
The master on the other side.
Oh. That's fine, I'll stay in here. Not the best lighting. Look at that shower.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. Some closed off. That's what I told you.
Okay. Pool table. Wet bar. Oh, this is a big bathroom. It's another bedroom down here. There's the hot tub outside. I don't know what this is. This is an empty room, but I guess it could be a bedroom. And then there's a bedroom in here. I like to know what all the doors are. Oh, this is an unfinished part of the basement. Murder room. This door is locked. This door's locked. This door's locked. Murder rooms. Good morning, everyone. So I did not vlog last night after we got here because we went to town to get a couple odds and ends, and then we started drinking. And shenanigans were afoot. I did finish off a whole bottle of wine to myself. Lots of drinks flowing. I woke up to lots of food on the floor and crumbs and things like that. Nobody knew how it got there. Totally carb loaded this weekend, so off the rails with low carb, that's for sure. And right now I'm getting ready so that we can go to a winery in town. Well, we're gonna go to multiple wineries, and then we're probably gonna stay in town all day because there is no service in this cabin. Like, literally, if something happened, I don't know how I would get a hold of anybody because there is no service. I think I would have better luck with a pigeon carrier to send a message. But we're gonna plan to stay in town for most of the day today. We're going to wineries, probably a distiller. There's a lot of really cute shops downtown, like boutiques and things like that. There's like a fudge place, there's kettle corn, but like cute towny boutiques with like handmade items, clothing shops, and then there's several wineries and a distillery all in the downtown Nashville area. When we drove through there last night, it was packed with people. Like, this little town was full. So today is Saturday, so I imagine we're gonna be amongst all the crowds, but we plan on today being our heavy day down there. So we don't plan on coming home till late. I'm doing my makeup right now, as you can tell. But it's pretty warm here and humid. So the original outfit that I planned on wearing, I'm not wearing. So I am improvising. So I'm gonna wear these maroon jeggings that I have with a navy blue top. I don't know what shoes I'm doing yet. I've got some cute jewelry and dressing it up, but the original plan is not happening now. So it is what it is with that. So I'm gonna continue to get ready, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you doing right now?
I don't know.
I'm happy to see my cousin.
You're what?
Happy to see my cousin.
No kids. This happens like
We could
once
tell
every
last
11
Look at
years.
this.
We are taking old-timey photos.
All right, I'm done.
Oh, Tommy!
All right, is everybody dressed?
Yeah, I'm dressed. I'm ready.
Hey everybody, we are downtown Nashville. We're at this Coachlight Square. Megan, say hi. We're gonna check out probably a winery. There's a sweet tea shop in this cute little village area. The place is really busy down here, so we're just gonna see what's going on. It's just the two of us for right now, and then the other girls are gonna join us later because they're going to look at some pumpkins. So there's Country Heritage Winery, which might be our first stop, right, Megan? It's so cute. Megan, are you having a great time? This is a video.
It's a video, yeah.
Well, I'm not there though, so I don't
How about you, or Sarah?
do something if you're not.
No?
No facial expressions.
Amanda, are you having a good birthday weekend?
I'm having a great birthday weekend.
That's Kara.
I mean, this is better than my birthday.
She's been over a few times.
Okay, is there anything you'd like to say?
They tell you.
I don't care.
Lies.
Erica's on the phone.
Tell him, go in and tell me to sit on the table.
Everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. No living in the past. We're over that, I'm feeling it tonight. We're riding on the dizzying high.